Hello friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video guys, we have come with another amazing and unique TikTok trick for you. And guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can possibly reduce your data usage on TikTok. Guys, in this video today I will be showing you a step-by-step way how you can reduce your data usage on TikTok. So guys, here without wasting any much time, let's get started with me. Please, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding. So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing here, we have to open our Play Store. Guys, as you can see, you have to make sure that your TikTok app is already up to date. Guys, as you can see, my own app is already up to date. So if yours is not up to date, please make sure you update your TikTok app. And please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow our TikTok account. And don't forget to also like this video and comment below. So guys, the next thing we're going to be doing here, we have to open the app like this. And guys, as you can see, it's already opening. And once it opens like this, it's going to be coming up like this. And the next thing you're going to be doing here, you have to click on this profile icon down below. Profile icon by your right hand side down below. So guys, you click on it, and guys, it won't be coming up like this. The next thing you're going to be doing here, you have to click on this three dot by our right hand side at the top, and here we have the next pop-up, and we have creator tools, QR code, and we also have settings and privacy. Here we have to click on our settings and privacy, and guys, it won't be coming up like this. Here what we're going to be doing next, here you have to scroll down below, and here we have our here we have to scroll down below again. We scroll down below, we have our data server, so guys, you click on it like this, and guys, as you can see, data server, once you enable this settings, you can be able to even use your TikTok with less data. Once this settings is enabled, you can be able to use your TikTok with less data. So guys, this is the possible trick I have for you. This is the simplest trick I have for you today on how you can possibly reduce your data usage on TikTok. More videos on TikToks are coming. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our TikTok account. Thanks for watching guys. Do have a wonderful time ahead. Bye bye.